But hey, it's okay. Just imagine if it weren't that way. And if it weren't that way, the turkey vultures can't cool themselves. Now, when you, in the summertime, you're outside, you're getting hot, you might turn on the sprinkler, right? And run through the sprinkler and cool off. That's nice and fun. Well, turkey vultures, first of all, can't turn on the sprinkler to run through it. And they don't have any sweat glands, so they just get hot. So if it's a really hot, and they tend to live in the desert and the mountain states a lot where it is often 90 degrees. So what they do, they will poop on their legs. And the poop is kind of really watery. And so when this water evaporates on their body, it cools them off on their legs. Just like when the water on your body after the sprinkler, you know how the wind blows and then you get really a lot cooler? That's evaporation. So they're doing the same thing. They use their poop as a sprinkler instead of you. But aren't you glad you don't have to poop on yourself to cool off? Yeah.
All right. Did you know that moose, and it's not mooses. When I grew up, there was a cartoon, and they always said mooses, and I was, ugh, it doesn't, it's moose, it's deer. There's no S. Those gangly, goofy-looking mega deer cough up and rechew their half-digested food. Everybody.
That's yucky!
Imagine the breath. Whew. But hey, it's okay. Just imagine if it weren't that way. If it weren't that way, moose couldn't digest the plants they eat. This large, hoofed animal is a ruminant. A ruminant has a stomach with 4 parts. After a moose chews and swallows its leafy food, the food goes into stomachs 1 and then 2 for softening. Later, the moose coughs up a simply half-digested plant wad called a cud. You might have heard that about cows having a cud. It's the same idea. It chews the cud a while before swallowing it into stomachs 3 and then 4. By double chewing its food, a moose grinds up the tough leaves and bark, making them easier to digest. Aren't you glad you don't have to cough up and rechew your green beans?